So this is how it looks like after I use the Liquimoly engine flush in my engine. You know what? It's very cold outside. So guys, how's it going? You know what? In today's video, I'm gonna do an engine flush on my 2013 Ford Focus ST. So this has a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. So I didn't do an oil change on this one for a while, so I guess you could say it's been neglected a bit. So but in today's video, we're gonna do an engine flush just to make sure there's no sludge or gunk inside the engine. So I'm gonna use again my Liquimoly engine flush to flush out any sludge in the engine. And for my final oil, I'm gonna use a Mobil 1 5W30 full synthetic and a Fram oil filter. So that's it. But before that, I'm gonna use an oil flush to flush out any residue on the leftover from the engine flush and also from the sludge inside the engine. So I'm gonna do 2 oil changes. One to flush out the sludge or contaminants or whatever leftover inside. Maybe I could call it a rinsing oil. And then for the second one, that's my final oil that I'm gonna use to keep on the car after we did all the rinsing of the engine flush and the old oil inside. So guys, let's get started. So I'm gonna let it run a bit to reach normal engine running temperature. After that, we're gonna shut it down, then we're gonna do the engine flush. So now I'm gonna pour in the Liquimoly engine flush. You know what? Just to make sure, I just shake it a bit, just to make sure there's no sediments inside. You can see it's kind of black. Okay. Now it's mixing with the engine flush. So I'm gonna run it for 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna shut it down and then we're gonna drain it. I'm gonna wait for 10 minutes and then after that I'm gonna change the oil. So the drain plug is here and it's 15 millimeter. Yeah, it's 15 millimeter. Okay. So the oil filter is here. This one. So I'm gonna use an oil filter wrench to remove this. Oil filter. Yeah. I'm gonna use a new filter from my rinsing oil. So this is for the first oil change. Just do it hand tight, that's it. So for my rinsing oil, I'm just gonna use this Quaker State. I'm gonna pour in about only 4 liters because this is only for rinsing. So now I'm gonna idle again for 10 minutes. After that, I'm gonna drain the oil, and then I'm gonna put the final oil, which is the Mobil 1 full synthetic. So this is the new Fram filter. I'll put a bit of oil on the gasket. Then you screw it back, and you have to tighten it only hand tight. No need a tool for this, just hand tight and that's it. So this is the Mobil 1 full synthetic 5W30. I'm gonna put about 4.5 liters, and then I'm gonna add more if I need to add a bit just to go in the proper level of oil. So this engine took about 5 liters of oil to make the level of oil perfect on the dipstick. As you can see, it's just the right amount. So I'm gonna check the inside of my engine if the engine flush really did a good job in cleaning the sludge. So looking at the internals of my engine, I can see that there's no collection of black sludge anywhere. It looks like it's all nice and shiny, as I can see inside. The light reflects through the shiny metals there. That means there's no collection of black residues or old oil. I can see that it's really clean. You know what, this engine has 180,000 kilometers, and the way I look at it, looking at the cam lobes, it's nice and clean. There's no visible wear, and I can see the fresh oil over there. It's just sitting. There's no sludge that I can detect anywhere else. As you can see far, all the way at the edge of the engine, you can see that it's nice and shiny. So just an indication that there is no black sludge or residues or old oil that stuck in the edge of that engine there. As I can see, it's nice and shiny. So I think this Liquimoly engine flush really did a good job on cleaning my engine, so I'm very happy about that.
You're like a drug that I just can't deny.